Most plumbers make the same mistake when choosing software. They get distracted by flashy features and forget to ask one simple question. Will this actually make my business easier to run every day? Here's the truth no one tells you. The best plumbing software isn't always the most expensive or the most advanced. It's the one that saves you time, keeps jobs organized, and helps you get paid faster. In this video, I'll rank some of the best software options for plumbers in 2026, explain who they're best for, and help you choose the right platform for your business. Let's jump right into the rankings. Coming in at number 5 is Workiz. Workiz is a solid option for small plumbing businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management. It offers a clean interface and can help new businesses stay organized without feeling overwhelming. At number 4 is Jobber. Jobber continues to be one of the easiest platforms to use. Plumbers can quickly create quotes, schedule jobs, send invoices, and collect payments. If simplicity is your top priority, Jobber deserves serious consideration. But here's the problem. As your business grows, basic tools may not be enough. That's where Housecall Pro earns the number 3 spot. Housecall Pro combines ease of use with more automation. Features like online booking, automated reminders, and customer communication tools can help reduce administrative work while improving the customer experience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. At number 2 is Fieldage. Fieldage is especially popular among service contractors who need stronger dispatching, technician management, and service agreement tracking. For plumbing companies handling a larger volume of jobs, these tools can improve efficiency across the entire operation. In a minute, I'll reveal the software that many larger plumbing businesses consider the gold standard. At number 1 is Service@Titan. Service@Titan offers advanced reporting, dispatch management, customer relationship tools, technician performance tracking, and business analytics. For plumbing companies focused on growth, these insights can help owners make better decisions and improve profitability. However, this is where most people fail. They assume the number 1 software is automatically the best choice. Let's look at a quick example. If John owns a plumbing company with 2 technicians, he may get more value from Jobber or Housecall Pro because they are easier to learn and often require less investment. If Alex manages a team of 25 technicians across multiple service areas, Service@Titan's advanced capabilities may provide a much stronger return. The key takeaway is simple. Choose software based on your current business size and future goals. Small teams often benefit from Jobber or Housecall Pro. Growing businesses may prefer Fieldage. Larger operations frequently gain the most from Service@Titan. Now you're equipped to make a smarter decision for your plumbing business in 2026. If this ranking helped you, hit the like button, tell us which software you're using in the comments, and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and business growth tips.